Alrighty, this can be short and sweet as we learn how to name amides using the common naming system. When we name amides using the common naming system, we are going to use the common name for the carboxylic acid. So remember, we use form, acete, propion, and butyr. And we're going to change the ending from ic acid. So butyric acid becomes butyramide. All right, so I have some examples and I want you to see the connection between using the carboxylic acid's name in order to figure out the common name. So we have carboxylic acids and we have an amide next to them, and these are the same examples that we used in your IUPAC naming of amides as well. All right, so let's start by going over the common name for methanoic acids. So we use the prefix form. So this is formic acid. Again, according to our rules, we're going to remove ic acid and we're going to replace it with amide. So this becomes formamide. All right, in our next example, we have ethanoic acid. The common name for ethanoic acid is acetic acid. Again, we are going to remove the ic acid and this becomes acetamide. Amides are important for us. They're found in a lot of drugs. So the first example you're seeing is melatonin. And melatonin is made by the pineal gland, which helps to induce sleep at night. It's also considered a supplement for insomnia. If you're having trouble falling asleep, you can take a melatonin. People who travel a lot would take this to help them with jet lag as well to get back on whatever time zone schedule they've flown to. Acetaminophen, or Tylenol, which is the trade name, is another amide that can relieve pain. There's our amide group, functional group in there. It relieves pain. It's also an antipyretic, so it's relieving fever as well. However, as with anything, if not taken in moderation, it can cause liver damage. So everything in moderation, except for meth. No methamphetamine ever. DEET is another example of an amide. DEET is a widely used insect repellent. It repels mosquitoes, fleas, ticks. It ebbs and flows, the popularity of DEET. When you have illnesses that are insect-borne, such as West Nile virus and Lyme disease, you're going to see an uptick. Pun intended, in people purchasing bug repellents like DEET because they work really well. So we're not totally sure how DEET works to repel insects. There's your amide. But we do know that somehow we think it confuses insects so they can no longer sense the warm, moist environment that surrounds a human body because that is what they're attracted to.